we want. We want. Father of terrorists. Roti killer. Killer. Minority killer. We want. We want. Father of terrorists. Father of terrorists. Minority killer. Hindu killer. Hindu killer. Minority killer. What I expect, since we are living in a United States and we believe in a democracy and we want fair justice, because the present power government right now in Bangladesh, they are making the drama, they're making that false statement to the world, and we're here to let people know this government not elected by the people of Bangladesh, and the false documentation is presenting to the world definitely not truth, and we want fair justice.
They are enemy of Bangladesh. They are the friend of Pakistan. So we don't want to go back to Pakistan. So Modi ji should take a serious action and talk to the Honorable Prime Minister of US, so President of US Donald Trump, and make a decision. Our Prime Minister, Honorable Deshratna Janonetri Sheikh Hasina, she is the founder father's daughter. So she make the Bangladesh in prosperous development.
জয় বাংলা জয় বঙ্গবন্ধু
Step down. Kilarinos. Step down. We want Sheikh Hasina. 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 Step down. Kilarinos. Sheikh Hasina. Don't you take that.